Hi, and it's Molly here again, everybody, on Make Changes Not Excuses. And today I want to give you a quick tip and say never tolerate toxic relationships in your life. Who are the 3 to 5 people that you have coffee with now and again? And I want you to write that in a journal. Write it down. And then beside each person whose name you write down, on a scale of 1 to 10, how positive are they currently in your life? 8, 9, 10 being really positive. Anything below 5, don't have so much coffee with them. So basically the tip for today is never tolerate toxic relationships in your life.